Hey folks, welcome back on my channel. So before starting this video, I want to say a very huge thank you for giving huge response on my previous video which is based on ChatGPT. So thank you for that, and without wasting any further time, let's start this video. So every day you come across a problem which is make PPT on this, make PPT on that. So for that kind of problem, we have solution. So this is Tome.app, which is AI powered tool. So basically what it will do is this tool, with the use of this tool we can make PPT based on our text or our context. Any context we can take, we can make a PPT on this app. So let's start. Just search on Google Tome.app and we'll get the website. This is the first front page, and you can say generative storytelling has arrived. Unlock your best work with Tome AI powered storytelling format. So make sure you are signed in. So let me sign in this. So after signing in this website, you will see this kind of interface. So let's go to this create button. Just press on it and you will see this kind of interface. So now you have to type what kind of PPT you need. So let's say I want basic information of, let's say, AI and ML, and just press enter. It will create presentation based on our title. You can see first slide, second slide, third slide. You can see it is generating a whole slides. You can see this is first page, AI and ML, the future is now. Then it's a second page, introduction to AI and ML, type of AI, how ML works, application of AI ML works. You can see introduction to ML. It will generate a image also, and you can see this is AI image, types of AI. There are three main types of AI: narrow, weak AI, and general and strong AI. You can see how AI made our PPT just based on our text or our title. You can see application of AI and ML, how ML works, machine learning algorithms to learn patterns and make prediction based on the data. You can see how accurate is this. This is incredible. Like AI is just taking our job, I can literally say. And you can see it just take not more than 1 minute, I guess, and our PPT is ready. You can see. Let's try something else. So let's say I want to create PPT. Let's say create presentation about, I want presentation on, let's say, ChatGPT. Enter. It's generating a presentation. You can see title is Revolutionize converse. What was it? Hold on. Yes. Revolutionizing conversational AI. Okay. Introduction to ChatGPT. ChatGPT, how works, application of ChatGPT, benefits of using ChatGPT, challenges of limitation, and future of ChatGPT. You can see it has created a whole PPT on our title, which is ChatGPT. You can see ChatGPT is AI powerful chatbot using natural language processing, NLP and ML. You can see how ChatGPT works. So generating response based on understanding of the context and topic being discussed. It's used the combination of rule-based ML based on approaches and identify the intent behind the user message and provide an appropriate response. Okay. Application of ChatGPT. You can see these interesting images. It's just creating these images using AI algorithms. Benefits of using ChatGPT. You can see challenges and limitations. future of ChatGPT is promising with new advances in AI and NLP set to enhance its capability even further. Okay, another area of growing ChatGPT field of emotional intelligence. Researchers are exploring way to. Okay, so you can see how crazy is this. So AI just created a PPT of 8 pages in less than 1 minute. So I think it's very crazy. So you can see how AI is powerful. In less than 1 minute, AI has created our PPT of 8 pages and very accurate data and very good presentation, very good images also, and you can see alignment of the slides. How attractive is this? Also, we can see we have many options like you can see we can create our workspace. This is hello world, this is my workspace. We can choose this kind of themes. You can see templates, we have templates here also. You can see this template. So this template which is provided by this website, so you can use this template to make your PPT, and it will make your PPT in just less than 1 minute, I guess. So that's it. I just wanted to give you information about this website, which will help you a lot in your future projects or in your colleges also. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll maintain another video. Thank you for watching.